Our next guest says buying a home, well, still a good investment. However, the real estate market faces challenges. Mortgage rates, 4-year high, and there's not that many homes for sale. We've got a new report, by the way. It says spring home sales will be the weakest in years. There's a surprise. Samantha DeBianchi with us from the DeBianchi Real Estate Company. All right, Samantha, it seems to me that there's plenty of people who want to buy, but there's not that many homes to buy. There's not inventory, as you guys say. That's the situation, isn't it?
Right. That is exactly the situation. So we're seeing a really interesting market because there is a bit of a slowdown. And while we do have very little inventory, we have a lot of demand, but prices are so high right now. So what's happening is a lot of people are resorting to renting. Now, they're not just renting annually, they're renting seasonally, they're renting monthly. I'm having people say, look, you know, I want to buy, I'm ready, willing, and able, but I don't want to spend these prices. And it's funny because we could talk about mortgage rates all day long, but that is not the reason, because a 30-year fix right now is at 4.46%. This same week last year, it was at 4.21%. So we're not seeing crazy mortgage rates, but we are seeing crazy prices.
Okay, but there is also this ongoing argument that buying a home is not, these days, the best investment. I mean, for a couple of generations, 3 or 4 generations, that was what you did. You grew up, you got into your 20s, you married, you had children, you bought a house. That was the deal. That's no longer the deal. People no longer believe that a home is the best investment that a young folks can make.
Well, there's an argument there. I mean, first and foremost, whenever you read any of those reports or analysis, the one main thing that all of them will say is if you buy the right house at the right time in the right place at the right time, and again at the right time, it is a great investment. You know, buying a home is the riskiest investment out there. It's not an episode of House Hunters. So you need to take it seriously. And, you know, I'm a great example. I don't buy just houses. I don't just buy homes. I buy houses. So I'm buying and I'm making crazy returns. I'm Airbnb-ing them. You know, I'm making $25,000 a year just on income from all of these properties, and I'm selling them every 2 to 3 years. When a lot of reports say that the average homeowner owns their home for 10 years, well, yeah, it's really hard to predict a real estate market in a 10-year period. But when you're looking at it year by year and you're thinking, okay, this year if I sell, I'll make some money, then yeah, maybe you shouldn't be as emotionally attached. Well, but all day long, you can make money in real estate if you time it right. And it always comes down to timing.
Wait a minute. With respect, the big argument for youngsters to buy a home is the tax deduction on the mortgage interest. I mean, I know that deduction has been limited for the way upper income people and for the very luxurious homes. But the principal argument is the best tax deduction you're going to ever get in your first 10 years out on the road on your own, that is the mortgage interest deduction. That's the biggest winner as a home buyer. Surely that's the big argument.
Sure. I mean, we could argue that all day long, but if we go and say, okay, so then you should rent, if a one-bedroom is $2,000 or more.
I said don't rent. You buy.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm agreeing with you. All day long, it does make sense to buy, but again, you've got to sell at the right time. It will make more sense to rent if you're not going to buy and sell at the right time. If you're just in it and saying, look, I want to buy a house, I don't necessarily care about the investment or the return or anything like that. I want to plant my roots here. I want to, you know, spend money on improvements that it may or may not need. Then, yeah, it's going to be a money pit. You probably will never see that money come back. But if you buy right at the right time, you could put 5–10% down. You still have some deductions that you can write off. So that's not just saying that they don't exist at all. It's just limited. But, you know, when you look at renting, you're maybe saving money, but I would love to know the percentage of how many people with that saved money use and spending it on trips and other things that they wouldn't have before.
I guess I'm old-fashioned. I still think that buying a home is the best investment that a youngster can make. Capital gain and a mortgage interest deduction. It's the best one you can get.
100%.
I don't care about the timing and buy the right house at the right time and sell it. I don't care. Buy the house. That's my position.
I've made a lot of money in real estate, so I'm a believer of that.
Oh, I'm glad to hear it. All right, Samantha, come back and sit. The argument will continue.